What if I told you that it's possible to own your own supercharger, make money, and have Tesla do most of the heavy lifting? Here are 3 reasons why choosing Tesla for your DC fast charger is a genius move. All right, the first reason why this is a genius move is because Tesla will add you to their map. When Tesla drivers are on the road and they need to charge, they'll look at the navigation screen and see your supercharger as if it was a normal Tesla supercharger. This means it will take so much of the marketing off your plate because Tesla's already helping you out. Being on the Tesla map makes you look so much more legit. Drivers will stop because they already trust Tesla. And just before we get to point number 2, if you're looking to buy the course or want to have a one-on-one call with me, then you can find that in the links below. All right, the second reason why this is a genius move is because it will boost all the business around the Tesla Supercharger. It's commonly known that having an EV charger brings in people to the location, they stay longer, and they spend more money. And this works in your favor. If you're looking to invest in one of these projects, then you might be able to get the surrounding businesses to raise some capital and pitch in with you. I mean, it benefits everybody, right? And the third reason why this is a genius move is pretty impressive, and it's that Tesla has a 97% uptime. One of the things you always hear about EV chargers is, oh, this one wasn't working or this one was unreliable. You don't really have that problem with Tesla. This will reduce so much stress because you know that Tesla has your back and you're not going to be losing profits when your charger goes down. Also, drivers love dependable chargers, so they're going to keep coming back and they'll also tell their friends. And remember to check out the course and book a one-on-one call with me if you want to discuss the best strategy for your business. Thanks so much for checking in, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.